Here's a quick video on the boot remote control locking buttons, just in case somebody doesn't already know. Inside the boot latch here, where the release is that you'd always use to operate the boot. Obviously the car is locked now. A lot of people know that if you come to it locked and just squeeze, it will unlock and then open for you. That's all good. Once you put your washing in or your shopping, whichever you've got with you, there is a second button to the side here. A little bit difficult to see, but you can feel it. It's raised a bit more than the others and it's round. But if you press that one after you've finished, that will lock the car up. So the car is now fully locked. But that button also controls the whole of the central locking system if you need it. So if you come back to the car and you're heading for the boot first, press the button and you can trigger the whole of the central locking system. So we're open here. We're open here. And then if you wanted to, you can lock it back up from there as well. So there we go. I've got selective locking set on mine using LeafSpy. So the first press unlocks only the front driver's door. Second press goes on to unlock the rest when I'm quick enough. This time I was too slow, so it's not triggered the second press in time. Too quickly together and we're open. And exactly the same sequence works from the boot buttons. I'll show you those again just to make it fully obvious. In here, just below the boot handle, two buttons, two different functions.